Hi, I'm Errol Detiques, 23 years old, college student. Course ko, film. Excited na ako, matatry ko na yung unit ko. And nakakabahan kasi Coach Genesis, pero idol na yan.
Nandito tayo sa firing range in Silang, Cavite. Meron tayong student. Today, sa ating session 1, we will have objective. Actually, it's not about practical shooting pa. It's about the safety and the fundamentals. So give me your stance. Very good. Wide ng konti. Give me your grip. Okay, that's your grip. Okay, ramdamin mo yung pull mo. Pagapangin mo. Yun! Always think na may bala to. This is a very, very important session because you go practical shooting, you go tactical course, it's just the same. Andito yung safety and dito yung fundamentals of shooting. Ito yung pinakamagandang foundation natin when you have and when you own your firearm. Understand basic shooting error. Ayan, napaka-importante. You have to be a responsible gun owner. You need to know the 4 basic rules of gun safety that you have to do it with your heart. But, naiintindihan mo ba what does 4 gun safety rules? Ano bang meaning nun? Ano ba siya? Paano ba siya ina-apply? We will tackle it very detailed.
So that hindi na tayo para magsayang ng oras, nahon, pala, at effort learning the bad habit, learning the improper way. Yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat.
Whenever you apply those basic rules, no, nakikita yung pagiging professional mo and pagiging responsible gun owner mo. Kahit anong baril hawakan mo, it will become easier for you to use it. Pati yan, ini-explain every detail. Mako-correct natin everything. But, you have to explain it. Bakit kailangan ganito yung grip? Bakit kailangan ganito yung triggering? Bakit kailangan ganito yung sight alignment ko? Bakit ba kailangan ng follow-through? Yung mga ganon na basic na kailangan mong ipaintindi. That's the way of coaching. We will discuss it to the student. Paano? How it works. I want them to know how to apply it. So they're ready? Stand by. Patito. Alpa. Bibilis ka. Speed will follow at sa progress. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Consistency.
Okay.
Boys, show me the 5 fundamentals of pistol shooting. So, number 1.
Stance natin.
Okay.
Boxing stance, guys.
Okay. So, that's our stance. Ang next natin is the...
Grip.
Okay, so clear mo
Yeah.
muna yung gun mo. Yung grip natin. Uy, ang ganda naman ng forma mo ngayon. Okay, little bit lean forward yan. Then, what's next?
Sight alignment natin.
Okay, yung sight natin.
Okay.
Under control
Trigger
or the
control.
triggering.
Yeah.
Sige nga, pull mo nga, kuys. Uy. Okay Isa pa. Yun, wala nang galaw. And last but not the least is
Follow through.
the follow-through. Alright, so kompleto. Mukhang nag-exam, gumawa tong homework niya. Very good. Which is very, very important also sa practical shooting, ang memorization dito. Yan, boy. Siyempre, nilook forward ko na gusto ko maging kasing galing ko siya. Ayan. So, by the way, this is Genesis Pible, your 2025 SEA Games gold medalist. Bye-bye.